welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. First of all, I just want to say, Eric, this is not what I'm going to be giving you, but I'll buy a brand new pair. Eric, please claim your prize. I don't want to have to not give you your prize for winning, so please contact me by the end of the night, midnight. Otherwise, it's going to go to Miguel. I'm probably butchering that, but please claim your prize. I want to give it to you. Anyways, today I'm going to be talking about these actually. So I believe it was Jerry. I didn't double check, but I think Jerry wanted to go over more tools and what they're used for and stuff. Just for future electricians that aren't in the trade and want to know what certain tools are used for. So today I'm going to be going over what these are used for or what I use them for on the job site. Alright, so I got my list of stuff right here, so I'm just going to try to go over them each individually. So I don't know why there's stock right there. So first of all, I wanted to go over when you're cutting Romex. This is from the last video, but when you got your wires in here, you strip out your wires. You have this paper in here. It's really helpful to use these for cutters. You can also use your strippers, but these are a nice closed, I don't know how to describe this. They're super close together, so it's easy to just cut it like that, effortless. And also, if you're doing low voltage wire, you can cut the unicorn hair with it. It really helps. Strippers usually don't get these very well. I'm not going to get all these hairs, but you can see right here, get most of them. So cuts the unicorn hair really good. That's what I like to call it, but it's just, I don't know what that stuff is actually used for or what it's called, but that's one of the uses I use it for, taking the paper out of the Romex once you strip it. And you can also take the unicorn hair out of 3-wire or low voltage wire. Let me go over the next thing. Alright, so this is not EMT, but I'm just using this as an example. So once you cut your pipe, whether it's EMT or maybe even PVC if it's small enough or big enough, what you can do is you can take these like this and you can ream the pipe out to get the edge of the pipe, and also you can stick it in here and twist it to clean out the inside. Just double check it with your finger, make sure it's smooth, and then also if you don't cut the pipe all the way and you bend it in half, there's a little part at the end where it's still connected. You can just use these to cut it off and make it more flat, so you don't have little bumps coming off of it, if that makes sense. So use these for a reamer slash cutting the end of the pipe, and I think that was it. Alright guys, so the next application I'm going to show you is for maybe like the side of a box. If you have like 2 studs and then you have a box that you're trying to hammer in between. Sorry, I'm not at the job site, so I don't have the best examples here for you. So let's say that this sponge right here is the side of your box, or the side of the stud, or actually the side of the box. So you got your nails going through the box, like at the top, and let's say you can't get your, you can't get your hammer to hit the nails. So what you can do is you can place these on the side of the box, and then you can hammer the side of your cutters. So like this. So it kind of just, you place the cutters on the side of the nail, and then it kind of extends the hammer radius, so it gives you somewhere to hit. So when you hit it over here, it's still touching the nail, so it helps you pound the nail in. But I would recommend not doing that, because when you hit the back side of the, sorry, I'm trying to see what the camera's pointing at. So if you hit the back of the dikes right here at the connection point, it usually it tightens them up and it stiffens them up. You kind of want them loose like this. So if you hit them right there, it kind of makes it really hard to open it. So I would highly suggest not hammering these, but it's an application use that you can do, so use that at your own choice. Next, so here's another application. This isn't the exact string that I wanted to be showing you, but at the job site there's this little twine string for pulling string. Used as pulling string, it's either white and green, white and red, something like that, just depending on the strength. But what you can do, it's kind of like the same as cutting the stuff inside the Romex, but it's just really nice for basically using them as scissors. And what you can do is just put it there, and cut it. I think I'm doing this totally wrong, or this is not the right type of string, but usually it's cut in one piece once you push down hard enough. I don't know if I was getting that all the way, but as you can see, it makes a nice clean cut. So sometimes if you cut it with strippers, it frays it out, but these usually cut it nice and straight, as you can see that right there. Alright guys, so for this application, it's going to be used for cutting nails, and I just want to warn you, sometimes after cutting these a lot, sometimes they can make a little hole in the cutters depending on where you cut the nail, so it can spread the blades apart, sorta. So try not to cut nails with it. They do work, but you want to keep this nice and not damaged, so try not to use it for that. But they are supposed to be heavy duty, so without further ado, this can take a while, so I'm just going to try to go for it. I really hate doing this, but I'm going to show you guys just for the video, so here we go. Kind of a two-hand application right here. Actually, that was super fast because these are brand new, pretty much. I'm pretty sure you can see kind of where I just cut the nail. There's a little silver mark right there, but these are basically brand new, and I've only used them like 5 times. But I'm not going to give Eric or whoever chooses to win this prize them because they've been sent around, they look nasty, so I'm going to go and buy you a brand new pair anyways. So as you can see, it cut the nail super fast, but obviously once these get duller, it's gonna take longer and longer to cut it. So brand new, works really well. Alright guys, lastly, let's just, for the sake of this video, pretend that this is a staple. I don't have any staples on me to pretend with. So let's just say this is a piece of wood. You have your staple here, and you have your wire going through here. Let's just say that your wire, this is from the other video, let's just say that your wire is going through here. So what you want to do is, because these have a rounded edge, I think the red pair are flat, but these blue ones are at an angle. So what you do is grab your staple here. Can't really see that, so I'm just going to pretend that the wire is still there. So what you do is you grab the staple, and then you use the edge right here to pry up, and then you just kind of keep doing that to take a... Sorry, I got interrupted. So basically what you do here is you just keep grabbing the staple and prying it upwards to take the staple out of the wood. You can also use this as a hammer to put staples in. Just hit it. So that's basically the uses that I can think of off the top of my head. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. And Eric, please claim your prize, otherwise Miguel will be getting it tomorrow morning. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Hopefully this helped you out. Hopefully you enjoy these tool videos of how tools work or what they are used for on the job site. So without further ado, I will end this video. Thank you guys for watching so much. Hopefully I can do some more giveaways soon. Help me reach 500 subscribers if you wish. I'd appreciate it. We're at 490 right now. Never thought I'd make it this far, but here we are. So don't give up on your dreams, guys. Work at it each day. Don't give up. Thank you for watching. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day, guys. Peace out.